If I can make this thumbnail in just 5 minutes, imagine what you could do. Any thumbnail, any style, and it'll look amazing. Stick around, I'll show you how. Open your CapCut. Now, create a new project. You probably know this, but if you're new, check my video explaining it step by step. Next, import your footage. Imagine turning these photos into a thumbnail that really grabs attention. For the thumbnail I made, you'll need CapCut logo with black background, a black ball, a hand photo, palm up, light rays background, and your main background photo. Alright, now the fun part. Let's make it. Next, drag your background into the timeline. We made it to the creative zone. Now, change the ratio to 16:9 and scale it until it fits the screen. Next, click Adjust and scroll down. Change saturation to 7 to make the colors vivid. Exposure to -42 to add a bit of mood. Change vignette to 5 to shadow the corners. Alright, next, drag the hand photo on top of the background. Now, click Video, then click Remove Background and hit Auto Removal. The hand is clean. Rotate it a little and place it near the bottom so there is space for the ball. Next, right-click the hand track and click Create Compound Clip. Now, click Mask, then click Add Mask and choose Circle Mask. Set the size and position where you want the ball to go. Then hit the reverse icon to give the ball a realistic look in the hand. We made it. Next, drag the ball into the timeline. Remove background. Drag the ball track under the hand track so it sits behind the hand. Resize and position it. Now, drag the CapCut logo on top. Remove background. Resize it until it stacks nicely on the ball. Next, click Adjust. Change saturation to 3, then adjust contrast, exposure, and whiteness until the logo and ball match perfectly. Then drag a light photo into the timeline. Remove background and resize it. If the colors don't match yet, click the ball track, click Adjust, and tweak exposure a little. Now, everything matches beautifully. Next, go to Effects, search Glow, and hit Thunderbolt 2. Move the playhead until the lighting hits the center of the ball. Imagine that glow making your thumbnail pop. Now, click the 3 lines here, then hit Export Still Frame, and hit Export again. That's it. We made our thumbnail in less than 5 minutes. So, if you love this thumbnail trick, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next creative CapCut video. I've got more fun and easy tricks coming that will make your thumbnails pop even faster, so stay tuned.